We're going to the zoo right now. We arrived to the zoo. To the zoo.
Bobby! Bobby, oh, fight! Our fight!
Oh, because they get to dig in there. I never knew what was the point of
We in the Catman County Zoo. We going to the zoo right now.
Bobby, who is it?
Look, the bird.
Vete, cógelo. Vete, cógelo. Cógelo. Illa, vente.
Here, do you have any more? But it gets all over here. Wipe your hands off.
You can pet it.
Here, wipe your hands. Because
Who wants to pet the cow?
Pet it.
it's a germ.
Ay, no, eso lambe mucho.
Careful, he swings his head.
He likes me. We're the two animals that said we can pet.
Dile hello. Dile hello.
Oh, is that little baby? Yo, little baby?
There he goes.
Who he look like?
Little baby. Both of you.
Ella, mira.
Cameron, look at mommy. Cameron, look at mommy. Cameron, look.
¿Te gusta?
Mamá, pata.
Pero mira.
Remember Goat Boy? Oh, yeah.
Oh my God. Is it your brother?
Right. I didn't want. Oh, Bobby, uno aquí.
Sí.
What is the cutest one out of all of them?
Oh, he looked dead. He looked like he hurt.
Eagle. I finally
Camello.
Camello. Yo.
Go get my man some water. He look like he's starving.
What you say?
I hunt them Johns too.
Which ones? See, my man's a killer, man. He said he hunts them Johns.
Hey, tonight.
What you say?
We eating good tonight.
Yeah.
I'm walking out of here with a plate. He look like he's starving.
That's real ugly.
Yeah, like you. Jesus.
That's what Jesus used to be. That sound real ugly.
Bobby,
This way.
Bobby, move. Bobby, Tata will tackle our lion.
Oh, yeah?
This one, fight. Our lion, Wahoo. Yeah.
See?
Yeah.
He's saying that he hit the lion, he killed a lion.
Yeah, y'all behind that joint.
The buffalo or bison, whatever. Espérame.
Yeah, that buffalo kill a lion.
He said that buffalo killed a lion.
Yeah, lion will come. That seal or attack.
Oh, okay. Huh?
Yeah.
Ah, you look like you fit for one.
That's my wifey. That's my youngin.
Mommy, you
My oldest. EJ,
Papi,
that's the baby. ¿Ah?
Papi, giraffe.
Ya mismo ahí sale ya mismo un león y te come.
Oh, a giraffe.
They got a leftover dead red.
Where?
Dead red.
I see it.
Right there.
It's a big bird.
He was hiding last time. We didn't see him.
Man, he ain't even his dead.
Helena.
EJ, is that? He said he like it.
Papi, you bring a giraffe?
Okay.
Give me. Me watch
He
it.
was right. He said
200
it was a
pounds?
leopard. I said it was a jaguar. And it was
Look
a
at the difference
leopard.
between a woman and a male.
EJ, ¿qué tú quieres, EJ?
I'll find a giraffe.
He said que he want to go see the giraffe. Oh, okay.
Oh, that is a giraffe.
Okay, boy.
Oh, yeah, like it.
The one that was getting fed is like a baby. It looks like it's small. Maybe it's just a female.
That feel good right here.
Mommy,
You like it?
I don't like that one.
You like it?
Yeah, it's good.
yo, oh, that is a giraffe.
Okay. Le voy a decir a mami.
Mommy, that is a giraffe. Oh, that's
EJ. EJ. He crying because he want to touch the giraffe.
Not for a lion in one game too.
¿Qué es eso?
Zebra. Mommy, what's that? Mommy, what does it
Okay.
I gotta look for alligator fishes.
Oh, for real?
I don't know if that's a Greek Orion or something. That's what that called. Oh, he got wings. Ew.
What the heck is that? Dookie?
No.
There's a song, TikTok song.
I'm thirsty. He hot.
like our lizard.
Get the lips on it.
That's so cool. Let's get going.
Chomper.
Look at him climbing up.
I get gator.
Have a gator?
Oh wow! No.
Why are you drinking, honey?
I drank the whole thing. I thought it was much more bigger than.
Yeah, but you know what? They're still pretty cool looking.
Oh, that's Tyreek Hill right there.
Let's scoot out of the way so other people can see, okay?
¿Te gusta el mono? Ella, ¿te gusta el mono?
No, Bobby. Carlito. Bobby, Carlito.
Ella no.
Para que vea el mono. Mira el monito, mami.
No, no sabe. Dejo Washington there. Hey, you gotta grab it.
I know.
I'm kill a dog. Good. Huh?
But he's more like a child.
Yeah.
You know, old people, old dudes, silver fox.
Go. I didn't even saw it.
They hungry. Toma, EJ. Dale. Dale el otro, el otro.
Nigga, you just dropped all of it, bro.
We're leaving right now. We're leaving. God bless y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Dragonfly.